Hello guys, so today I want to share you about biodiversity. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity or biological diversity refer to the variety and variability of life on Earth, encompassing the difference within species, between species, and between ecosystems. It includes the genetic variation within species, the variety of species within habitat, and the range of ecosystem themselves. Biodiversity is essential for ecosystem resilience, providing ecological service like pollination, nutrient cycling, and climate regulation, which are vital for sustaining life and human well-being. It also offers cultural, economic, and aesthetic value, underpinning industry such as agriculture, pharmaceutical, and tourism.
Today, we will explore a specific example of plant species right here on our UMT campus, which is Ixora plant, or we call it as West Indian jasmine. Ixora plants are known for its beautiful and brightly colored flowers, ranging from red, pink, yellow to orange. The plant is familiar in UMK campus because it contributes to aesthetic and ecological value to the surrounding. Studying the Ixora plant offers insight into plant taxonomy, ecology, and the importance of plant diversity into maintaining healthy ecosystems.
Hello, next we are going to explain the taxonomy classification of
Ixora Coccinea.
like all the other plants, flowering plants, ranging from small trees like ferns and mosses to taller trees like colorful flower plants like this Ixora Coccinea. The kingdom of this flower is plantae. The phylum of this Ixora Coccinea is Magnolia phyta. It encompasses all the other flowering plants, including this flower. The class of Ixora Coccinea is Magnoliostida. They are also known as dicotyledons, and it varies from all the flowering plants because they have two seeds in one embryo. Other
Gentianus. The family of this flower is Rubiaceae. The characteristic of Rubiaceae usually the leaves are opposite with each other, like this, with unbroken leaf markings. The genus is Ixora and the species is Coccinea, so that's how it got its scientific name, Ixora Coccinea.
Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about habitat and ecology of this species. This is West Indian jasmine, or scientifically known as Ixora Coccinea. This plant is not only beautiful to our campus, but it plays an important role in our ecosystem. This Ixora Coccinea originated from South and Southeast Asia, particularly from India and Sri Lanka. It has become widely naturalized in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. This species prefers sunny spots but also can tolerate with partial shade and suitable for warm temperature and high humidity around 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. For healthy growth, this species prefer well-drained soil to prevent waterlogging, and the soil must likely acidic to neutral. This is because Ixora Coccinea is sensitive toward alkaline soil and may cause to nutrient deficiencies. Ixora Coccinea plays several important ecological roles, such as
Do you know what interesting facts about Ixora Coccinea? No? Let me tell you. So, Ixora Coccinea is not just a pretty flowers, but is also known as a medicinal plant. For your information, all parts including flowers, leaf and roots are taken for various medicinal preparation for diabetes, skin disease, fever and some more. In Ayurvedic medicine, extracts from Ixora flowers and leaf are believed to have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Not only that, Ixora Coccinea also used in culinary application. They use Ixora Coccinea and put into salad, and sometimes they are used as a garnish. Lastly, Ixora Coccinea, also known as West Indian jasmine. It is because this flowering plant attracts a good fortune and positive energy. Then they will plant Ixora Coccinea at entrance door for good luck. As we know, Ixora Coccinea has many characteristics, but do you know Ixora Coccinea also has a unique characteristics? One of its most distinctive features is its clusters of bright, small and star-shaped flowers that bloom profusely. The flowers can be red, orange, pink and yellow depending on the cluster. Next, Ixora Coccinea grows in a bushy and rounded with 4 feet long. Ixora Coccinea has a dark evergreen leaf that remains on the plant year-round. It's adding to attractiveness even when not in bloom. The fruits of Ixora Coccinea are round and the color is dark purple to black. And lastly, Ixora Coccinea prefers full sun in moist, well-drained and acidic but organically rich soils.
To preserve biodiversity on the UMK campus, focusing on species like Ixora Coccinea, it is essential to protect and cultivate native and benefit plant species. By planting Ixora Coccinea, known for its attractive flower and ability to thrive in tropical climates, the campus can enhance its ecological diversity. Implementing sustainable landscaping practice such as reducing chemical use and conserving water will further support plant health. Engaging the campus community through educational programs about the importance of native species and biodiversity conservation, alongside regular monitoring and assessment of plant health and also diversity, will ensure resilient and vibrant campus environment. This approach not only support the ecosystem but also provide educational and recreational benefit to the university community. Thank you for me. That's all from us.
Another way to preserving biodiversity on UMK campus is specifically on Ixora Coccinea is to create a botanical garden or nursery. So this place can work for native plants that can grow and protect them from external threats. Moreover, collaborating with local conservation organizations can provide additional resources and expertise. Hosting a seminar on native plant cultivation and biodiversity conservation will educate and engage the campus community, fostering a sense of stewardship and appreciation for natural environment. So, this approach is really crucial in order to preserving the Ixora Coccinea.